Are you working 40 to 50 hours a week and feel like you can barely make enough money? Well, you get a second job. Satisfied yet? Be honest, you're just regretting the second job. In today's fast-moving world, time truly is money, and it is very important to maximize your value for the time that passes by. Most people will keep insisting on upskilling yourself and then building up your LinkedIn account to drive better opportunities to scale your career faster than most. This doesn't always have to be the case, for people allow a second stream of income to occur. They build a platform allowing a source of income to hustle in, though you may now wonder, how do I make time to make this happen? Welcome to my channel, and if you're here for the first time, do subscribe and turn on your notifications to hear the bell when we release new content weekly. Let's dive back in. A famous quotation exists: work your job over the weekday and work your dream over the weekend. It always is the best to build a second source of income, but with a unique twist. Instead of actively building, you need to focus on passive income building. What's the difference? The pay you receive for materially taking part in something or completing a task within a set amount of time is known as active income. Payments for active income come in numerous forms, such as gratuities, commissions, salary, and more. Whereas passive income is a form through which money generates itself through a strategy that generates a regular stream of income on its own with the influence of an employee or a contractor. Passive income can originate from either rental property or a business in which a person is not actively involved, such as receiving stock dividends or book royalties. In reality, you might accomplish all or some of the work up front, but passive income frequently requires some more work along the road as well. To keep the passive income coming in, you might need to keep your product updated or your rental property well maintained. But if you stick with a plan, it might be a terrific method to make money, and you'll gain some more financial security along the way. The major lesson to learn from this is that strategies for passive income demand some initial work and investment, but after that, you will gradually make money through passive means. Remember, your primary work, a side gig, or non-income producing assets like cryptocurrency are not examples of passive income. If you're considering developing a passive income stream, look into these tested methods to find out what it takes to be successful with them and to be aware of the dangers involved with each concept. Number 10 on the list, creating a course. Expertise exists in everybody, and somebody else wants a piece of that experience, knowledge, and success stories. Take this experience and knowledge, make an audio or a video course, then sitting back and watching the money stream in from the sale of your product is a common method for generating passive income. Sites like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera allow for the distribution and sale of courses. Repeatedly succeeding in auto sales can guarantee a revenue, else an alternative exists too. Additionally, gaining a following through the provision of free content before starting to charge users for additional details or in-depth content, you might think about using this concept called a freemium model. This methodology might be utilized by stock-picking advisors and language instructors, for instance. By demonstrating your expertise through the free material, you may draw in potential customers who are eager to advance. The risk here, the product requires a tremendous amount of work to produce, and it needs to be excellent in order to generate good revenue. Trash has no place in the world. If you want to be successful, you must create a solid platform, sell your items, and make plans for other products. Beginning with a high time commitment, you will eventually master the model, and revenue will come in automatically as you produce more and better content. Number 9 on the list is selling photographs online. Content is being created every day, and the need for materials such as images are high in demand, and as such opens a potential market for earning. Even if you can sell the same images often, setting up a passive business by selling photography online might not be the most obvious choice, but a great one. You may collaborate with a company like Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamate to do that, especially if you can keep selling the same pictures. You must first receive platform approval before you may license your photographs for usage by anyone who downloads them. That implies that you might be able to sell the same image hundreds, thousands, or even more times. The greatest risk is the possibility of adding hundreds of photographs to a site, going out and taking pictures, processing them, and staying up to date with events that can ultimately be the source of your earnings could all take a lot of work. You need to keep adding photographs while you look for that one shot that will be the source of all of your money. Number 8 is to develop an app. Your app might be a game or a tool that facilitates a challenging task for mobile users. Users download your app after it's made available, which allows you to make money. Making that initial time investment and later reaping the benefits could be accomplished by developing an app. If you can create an app that your audience finds appealing, there are many benefits. You must think about the best way to make your app profitable. To maintain the app's appeal and relevancy when it grows in popularity, or as a result of user input, you'll probably need to add little features. Your time being wasted is most likely the biggest risk in this situation. If you only invest a small amount of money in the enterprise, there isn't much financial risk involved here. Additionally, you can confirm that your app complies with local privacy regulations if it gathers any data, as these rules vary from country to country. Apps' popularity may not last forever, hence profit gets capped. Number 7 is to advertise on your influencer space. Obtain payment from developing consumer brands to post about their goods or otherwise highlight them in your feed. Ensure you have a sizable online following on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Though you need to continually keep adding engaging content to your profile to keep your audience interested. And to do that, you must keep coming up with posts that expand your audience and interact with your social media fans. With compelling material, you may attract attention and clicks to your profile. You can then monetize that content by arranging sponsored posts from companies that your followers will find interesting. Risks include that you need a sizable audience, but until you have one, you are not a desirable alternative. First, you must devote a lot of time to expanding your audience, with no assurance that you will be successful. Spending a lot of effort creating content and keeping up with trends can lead to you receiving the sponsorship you want in the end. Number 6. Flip retail products. Use internet marketplaces like eBay or Amazon to your advantage and resell items that you find elsewhere for a discount. You can make money by arbitraging the difference between your purchase and sale prices, and you might be able to attract customers who follow your bargains. If you have a contact who can provide you access to inexpensive goods that few other people can find, this might work particularly well for you. Or perhaps you can locate precious goods that others have merely missed. The pricing discrepancies between what you can locate and what the typical consumer might be able to discover will allow you to profit. The inevitable risk is although online deals can occur at any moment, making this technique passive, you'll undoubtedly need to put in some effort to find a dependable supply of goods. Number 5. Try sell digital products. Anything can be considered a digital product, including physical objects, data, templates, plugins, audiobooks, kits, and more. Anything the client can subsequently download and utilize for their own needs or print. Create them once and sell digital goods with a large profit margin as many times as you like. If you have the right knowledge and tools, selling digital things is simple and cheap. Additionally, if you're an artist, this is a fantastic way to transform your work into printables or digital goods and get passive income while doing what you enjoy. Inevitable risk is before you start making any real money. It can take a while. Furthermore, host websites for your listings may tack on sales and listing fees, which raises the whole cost. Number 4 is investing into stocks and dividends. Substantial financial outlay and time is spent studying the stock market. Buying dividend stocks from a variety of firms will allow you to generate high passive income through dividends. Without additional input from you, the corporations distribute regular rewards from their income. Although dividend investing is a simple passive income stream, it is both complex and fraught with danger. Receive consistent company payments and share in the passive gains of your business choices. Additionally, the price per share will typically increase with time, making more money as the years pass. The very risky aspect of this is that you will need a sizable sum of money up front to invest in stocks in the first place, probably close to 6 figures, without which large profits might not be realized. Number 3. Try out property rental. Rental property is another simple option to produce passive income. Passive rental money will come in each month, whether you're renting out a complete house, apartment or a building, or just a single room. With rental properties, you have countless alternatives, from long-term rentals of a spare room to short-term rentals of a vacation home. You establish the guidelines, agree to the terms, and benefit from one of the best passive income investments. The risk arises when we are the property owners and rely on the fact that many nations struggle with squatters and extremely difficult clients who are difficult to evict from your property. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. There are no upfront charges because it is free to sign up for an affiliate program, promote links on your website or preferred social media channel to increase traffic, expand your audience, and generate a sizable amount of commissions. One of the simplest ways to make passive income is to start an affiliate marketing business. That is, if you already have a fan base or a following that could support promotions, join an affiliate program, market affiliate products on the platform or channel of your choice, and profit from the clicks and sales your links bring in. A sizable risk is building a sizable audience in the online space as a beginner will take some time. To gain the trust of your followers and effectively advertise the affiliate goods or services, you also need creativity and technical know-how. Number 1. Multiplying mini streams. This is an interesting point and consider the best options as it helps build your versatility. All the options above have pros and cons though. When combined to mini streams of income, they are absolutely profitable and become a greater way to grow our passive income. The only risk is that you don't have a daunting full-time job, as this takes a bit of time and individual effort to build, but when you finish building one, you can go into another one, creating a rotation process and helps you see which are the most effective methods for you. And that brings us to the end of this video. We hope this video helps you grow fluid passive income. Don't forget to like and comment to engage your thoughts on the video.